Three digital business card builders people use: QR Code Monkey, LinkTree, and Blinq. And for each, we'll compare what information is shared, the user friendliness of the platform, how quickly it can be built, and who that builder is best for. Plus, these are all free tools, and I have a tutorial video in the description once you decided which one is best for you. QR Code Monkey allows you to share your contact information. When the QR code is scanned, it's going to save your contact information in their phone. This means you can share your name, email, phone number, and website easily to someone you just met. For user friendliness, it's going to be a 4 out of 5. It's the second easiest platform we're going to talk about. All you have to do is go to Canva and choose a business card template, then simply update it to have your information. Then you're going to go to QR Code Monkey and generate a QR code that has all the different contact information you want saved in someone's phone when they scan the QR code. Then you simply just download that QR code and drag it onto your business card. Now, there's two ways to share this. One is you can print them out, but there is a cost associated with that. I personally use the free digital version, and you can just put this on your phone, or you can print it out at a badge. It can be built in only 9 minutes by watching this tutorial video right here, also linked in the description below. This one's going to be best for those at a networking event, because all you have to do is show someone your card. You go ahead and scan it, select add to contacts, and it automatically saves it in their phone, or people who are just regularly sharing their contact information. The downside is it doesn't allow you to share your social media or custom links. If you're looking to grow your social media and want to have that type of content on a card, I would use LinkTree. LinkTree is very similar. It's also a free tool. This is the one I personally use. But how this works is you'll go to Canva, you'll still choose a business card template, but instead of going to QR Code Monkey to generate a QR code, you'll go to LinkTree. Now, LinkTree is one centralized spot that can house all your different forms of social media. So you can put any links in here. You can put your reviews or the ability to give a review. You can also automatically have them save and send your contact information. The user friendliness is the most difficult. We're going to give it a 3 out of 5 just because creating a LinkTree is easy, but it is a little time intensive. So this is what it looks like here. And while we go through and add this information, if you're finding value out of this video, please like and consider subscribing. It really enables me to make more videos like this one in the future, and I hope you're finding value out of this one. So let's go ahead and keep going. Once your LinkTree is created, you'll go ahead and download your LinkTree QR code. Same like before, we're going to go ahead and grab this and put it on our Canva business card. And then again, you can print these, or you have the option just to have the digital version. And then when someone scans that QR code, it's going to open the web browser on their phone. Here, they're going to be able to see your LinkTree, have the opportunity to call you, leave you a Google review, add your social medias, anything that you put in your LinkTree, they'll have access to and the ability to share it with others. You can build this one in just 12 minutes by watching this video here. And this one's going to be best for small businesses or content creators who are looking not only to share their contact information, but also share their social media and grow their social media presence. That one is linked in the description below. Now, if you're looking for the easiest one and you're looking for the most basic, I would use Blinq. Now, Blinq does the same thing as QR Code Monkey. When someone scans that QR code, it's automatically going to save your contact information in their cell phone. The pros is it's the easiest platform to use. It only takes 5 minutes. That's because it's the most simple. All you have to do is add your contact information, your photo, and choose a color. The cons is there's not a lot of customization. You can't really make it unique other than adding your photo and choosing a color. You can build this one in only 5 minutes by watching this video here, and this one's going to be best for those in a hurry or those desiring to work only in a phone, since it can be done entirely on the mobile app. And before you leave, I need your help with 3 simple things. 1, like this video if you enjoyed it. 2, consider subscribing to stay up to date on all things AI, business, and tech. New videos every Monday. And 3, go watch the video on your business card. Good luck on your business, and I'll see you in the next video.